and welcome to another episode of Hammerdown Motorsports. Out here in Pennsylvania, we finally got snow. And for the first time this year, I was all excited to go out and get the snowmobile out, have a good time with that, take the kids for a ride. It's going to be great. So first thing this morning, I get out, go to my 1989 Formula 470 skidoo, and try to get that thing started, and I pulled until my arm was sore, and tried changing the plugs, and the carburetors on that thing are old and gummed up, and it was kind of that way when I bought it. It's just kind of a beater. It's nothing I can't fix, it's just something I really don't have a lot of time to mess with, and it's kind of an old junker that I bought pretty cheap. So now the plan is, got the trailer ready to go. Gonna head down to the skidoo dealership and see if they got something else that might be a little more reliable, and see how that goes. We are at Leisure Sports and Turf in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, and what better time to buy a snowmobile when it's snowing? But I guess it kind of got me in a position where maybe I'm not going to get the best deal in the world, but I guess we'll see what happens. Here it is. This is the beauty right here. 2002 MXZ 600. And I talked to my buddy out here, AJ. He seems to do really good deals for me. So we're all good to go. Good price. So gonna get it done. Here it is, the 2002 MXZ 600. Picked her up for a smoking deal today. So I have a lot of fun with this ride. Everybody, it is the next day. It is a balmy 17 degrees here in Pennsylvania. We've got the used snowmobile I purchased yesterday. Going to be giving it a cold start this morning and see if my investment was worthwhile and if it fires up for me. So here goes nothing. Choke on. Set this down. And we have success. So, was buying a used snowmobile better than buying a new one? Well, as far as the money goes, and for the amount of snow we get out here in Pennsylvania, the answer this morning is definitely yes. So, we're gonna go have some breakfast, and then we're gonna go out and do some riding. Alright, I didn't get it on tape, but it did start on the first pull, so I'm really happy about that. My old sled, I'd pull my brains out just to get it to go, but needs a little bit of carb work, the old one, so I guess that's not really its fault. It's just haven't had much time to work on it, so. But here we go. as you can see, it runs pretty good. So if you're thinking about buying an older sled, just check it out before you buy it. Make sure you're buying it from somebody you can trust, and yeah, you can have a lot of fun with it for really not that much money. Alright, well, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. So next time, hopefully we'll have some more fun things to share with everybody. And if this is the first time watching the channel, please like and subscribe, and keep that hammer down.